Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best car polisher on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's Mentapn, check the description box below. Number 5. Autowiz W02PO53 Car Polisher. The Autowiz W02PO53 is a versatile car polisher with a cordless design, offering easy mobility on a 12V battery. It features 6 variable speed settings for various polishing tasks, from waxing to finishing. The powerful battery provides 40 minutes of usage on a single charge, allowing for efficient detailing tasks. The polisher also has a quick 45-minute charging time, eliminating the need for long wait times. It excels at car waxing, polishing, and fast finishing, making it a versatile tool for both car enthusiasts and professionals. The polisher comes with an EU plug, but the company offers AU and GB plugs for international compatibility. Number 4. WorkPro 12V Car Polisher. The WorkPro 12V Car Polisher is a versatile tool with a power input ranging from 100V to 240V, and a motor that can adjust its speed from 2,800 RPM to 5,500 RPM. Its lightweight design, weighing just 1,045 grams, ensures a comfortable grip and reduces fatigue during extended polishing sessions. The polisher can accommodate wheel diameters up to 150 mm, allowing for a wide range of surfaces. WorkPro, a renowned brand from mainland China, is known for its quality and innovation, ensuring reliability and durability in every use. Investing in WorkPro ensures a product backed by a reputable name in the industry. Number 3. KKMOON Cordless Car Polisher. The KKMOON Cordless Car Polisher is a durable and lightweight tool made from high-quality plastics. It offers flexibility and power supply, allowing users to choose between a single 21V, 1,300 mAh battery or 2 high-performance batteries. The polisher has 6 adjustable speed settings ranging from 2,500 to 5,000 Rmin, allowing for precise control over the polishing process. Its generously sized 150mm, 5.91 inches, polishing disc allows for more area coverage in less time. The compact and lightweight design, measuring 340-150mm and weighing just 1,652 grams, 1 PC battery, or 1,957 grams 2 PCS batteries, makes it an ideal choice for professional detailers and enthusiasts. The package includes the specified number of batteries, ensuring everything is included to enhance your car's appearance. Number 2. Batoka S2 Car Polisher. The Batoka S2 is a cordless car polisher with 2 powerful 5.0 Ah batteries, providing ample power for efficient work. It features 6 variable speed settings, ranging from 2,000 to 4,500 RPM, allowing for precise control over polishing and waxing tasks. Each battery provides 120 minutes of usage, making it ideal for larger vehicles or detailed projects. The included charger takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge the batteries, minimizing downtime. The 5-inch backing plate is versatile, covering a decent surface area while handling intricate detailing. The Batoka S2 is ideal for outdoor car waxing, polishing, and fast finishing, ensuring a showroom-worthy shine wherever you are. Its robust performance and efficient battery usage make it an ideal companion for outdoor detailing tasks. Number 1. Onavan Car Polisher. The Onavan Car Polisher is a versatile tool that offers power, versatility, and convenience. Its 6-inch plate size allows for efficient polishing of small touch-ups and larger surface areas. Its variable speed control ranges from 2,500 to 7,000 RPM, allowing users to adjust the speed according to their specific needs. The polisher is powered by a high-capacity 10,000 mAh lithium battery, ensuring uninterrupted polishing sessions. It excels in various tasks, including auto waxing, high gloss polishing, and quick finishing touches. Onavan offers flexible purchasing options, including packages without a battery, with 1 battery, or with 2 batteries, ensuring customers get exactly what they need without unnecessary extras. This polisher is a must-have for car detailing professionals and enthusiasts, elevating their polishing and waxing experience. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.